Jan Moya, and I'm back again with another video. So yes, today I'm going to dissect, in fact I'm going to reveal to you all the results of today's games, Motsepe Foundation. So we got to experience a shock as Orbit College lost their first game of the season to the hands of the Hungry Lions FC. So that game ended 1-0 with Hungry Lions FC taking away all the 3 points. And then we also got to see Magesi FC drawing against the Milford Football Club with 1 goal apiece. And then in the final game we saw Marumo Gallants beating Lamashia FC by a single goal to nil. So yes, it was that thing. I'm saying that Marumo Gallants got to beat Lamashia FC by a single goal to nil. So yes, that's how it was. So now at the log we have Magesi on top. We have Hungry Lions occupying the second spot. So yeah, we'll see what happens as it goes, as they take on each other for a race to see who's going to take the title and get promoted to the top tier of South African football. Speaking of the top tier of South African football, Cape Town City got to bag their second win in a row with Khanyisa Mayo back on the score sheet again, just as he did against Cape Town Spurs. So it has been a very great week for him as Cape Town City grab another 3 points. So it is a very beautiful thing. It is a very beautiful thing for Cape Town City. So yes, I just hope that they get to maintain this form and then they can reach their objectives that they have for the season. And as for Khanyisa Mayo, I wish that he keeps up his form so that he can see himself as a regular in the squad of Mr. Hugo Bros, which is the South African national team, of course. And then that's all from me to you. Thank you so much for your time. If you have anything that you want to ask or you don't understand, you can drop it down in the comment section. Ndinithanda nonke.